Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide WhatsApp chat with secret code. Okay, first open your WhatsApp app, then tap and hold on the conversation that you want to hide. Then tap three dots. Then tap lock chat. Then tap continue. Then draw unlock pattern. Then tap locked chats. Then draw unlock pattern again. Then tap three dots. Then tap chat lock settings. Then turn on hide locked chat option. Then tap create secret code. Then create secret code. Then hit next. Then confirm secret code. Then hit done. Now go back by clicking the arrow button over here. Again. And as you can see, the chat has been hidden. Now, if you want to find the hidden chat, go to search box. Then tap your secret code. Then tap locked chats. And here you can find the hidden chats. And if you want to show the hidden chat on your conversation, tap and hold on the conversation. Then tap three dots. Then tap unlock chat. Then enter your secret code. Then hit continue. Then go back by clicking the arrow button over here. And as you can see, the chat has been shown. And like that, you can hide WhatsApp chat with secret code, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.